In this video, I will show you how to add Roblox to Steam. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to jot that down in the comment section below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got the Steam app open. Now what I'm going to do is just make this bigger, and to go ahead and add Roblox to Steam, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and just click onto library. So that's going to take you across to your games library. Now from here, if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, and what you want to do is select here where it says add a game, give that a click, and then that's going to bring up some options. From here you want to click onto add a non-Steam game. So what it's going to do is load up a window, and it's going to detect all the applications and programs and games on your computer. So what you can do is scroll through this list, and you should see the Roblox Pair app on here. If you don't see it on here for any reason, there is a browse button at the bottom. So what you can do is click onto this. Then what you want to do is go into your PC, then go into your C drive, and in your program files you will find the Roblox folder. It might also be in program files x86, so it just depends where it's installed, but basically you would add the app from there. So once you've located the app, make sure to tick the box and then press the blue add selected programs box at the bottom of the window. As you can see, we have now added the Roblox player to Steam, so this has added Roblox to Steam. So if we actually click onto this, and as you can see, we can go ahead and launch it directly from Steam. Now what you can do, you can see at the top, this is just a plain black background, but you can add an image to this. All you need to do is right click and click onto set custom background. What you can do is download an image from the internet, or you can create your own one if you want to. So you can see one I've done here, and that's the image that I've added. So as mentioned, all you need to do now is go ahead, press the green play button. As you can see, it's going to start launching, and this is going to start playing Roblox from Steam, and that is how to go ahead and add Roblox to Steam. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.